Here is another word problem on standard form. So when working with standard form, in this question we are told that the thickness of a sheet of paper is 0.00127 millimeters. And we are to find the thickness of a book made up of 1,000 pages of this paper. And we are to express our answer to two significant figures. So here's the solution. Now, we know that one paper is 0.00127 millimeters. Now, to make it simpler, we will then express this in standard form. So to express this to standard form, we would have it as, now, the first digit we have, non-zero, is 1. So that is 1.27. And that will be divided by, now we count the number of digits after the decimal point to this 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that is divided by 1,000. And this is in millimeters still. Now working with this, it means that if we are going to find the number of, if we're going to look for the thickness of a book containing 1,000 of such paper, we're going to multiply this by 1,000. So one book of 1,000 pages will then be equal to 1.27 over 1,000 multiplied by 1,000. And our answer is still in millimeters. So we see that 1,000 here cancels 1,000, leaving us with 1.27 millimeters. Now, to approximate this to two significant figures, we will start from the left and identify the non-zeros, the first two digits we have. So this is the non-zero, so that is 1, and then this is the second significant figure. So the next digit after this rounding off point is 7. That means we will round up. So we add 1 to 2, and that will give us approximately 1.3 millimeters. That means a book containing 1,000 pages of this sheet of paper, which each of the paper has a thickness of 0.00127 millimeters, would give us 1.3 millimeters. Remember to put to two significant figures. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.